My name is Leanne Olivier, and this is a poem I wrote called Doom Loop Wonderland. Violent love drugs knuckle the peeled world in an intimate alien cinema. Housebound sea dwellers stuck virtually searching, uncrowded beaches, witch hunts, tattoos, manslaughter. Once you drove south all night, past a brothel called the Moonlight, to taste Memphis' pure wildflower honey, its beekeepers hanging green manuscripts to smoke out the queen in a wild forest exodus. In a dream, you wrote this poem, Apocalypse Camp, at the dawn of the Great Extinction. Spellbound on a doom loop wonderland, you stumbled further south to Fontainebleau Beach, guzzling sea salt chards, black krill, opalescent swirls in pigments pomegranate, only darker, like a plague of unsolved femicides. White nighthawks silvered the most remote ocean, its helium escape valve a bauble star ring, as perpetual light became shadow, and you knew then you'd be his forever.